Hey everybody, so I got a new microscope to show you. Now I already have something in there. I just have a dead fly that I killed recently, and it was on my little bug zapper, so he lost his wings and stuff. But anyway, let me show you the microscope a little bit. I've been having a lot of fun with this. I've actually had this now for about a month, and I'm just now getting around to actually doing a quick review on it. It does have an adjuster where you can adjust it up and down. This is at its lowest setting, the lowest it will go, and then at its highest setting. Now I did see that there is like a scissor mount that you can get for this thing, and that might be kind of neat. I might look into that. But the other thing that you could do is you can adjust the light. So if you want to turn the light off or turn it on or just turn it down, you got that option. It does have some digital zoom, not a lot. You can zoom it further in 4 times, so it's not super, but I mean, that's not too bad. You can actually see the parts of the fly. You can see the hairs and everything. So I'm going to say that, you know, being a small microscope, this is not bad at all. Here you got your adjuster where you can focus. Also, this is rechargeable. As you can see, it's not plugged in. It does come with a micro USB. That's what it will recharge with. So you do get 2 slides. There is an onion, and then there's a honeybee wing. And then we have our wing that we can look at. And to give you an idea of that zoom, I'll give you a look at that wing outside of the microscope. Now it does zoom in quite a bit. This is the fly that was on there. Anyway, if you're looking for a fun little microscope that you can use with the kids, it's pretty cool. Oh, I also forgot to mention, you can actually take pictures with it, and you can record video with it. So like right now, I'm taking pictures. And then you can change, you can go into your settings. I almost forgot about your settings. But you can go in there, you can change, and you can mess with the resolution. You got 2 megapixels, 1920 by 1080, that's the maximum. And you even got down to VGA. You could also go in there and you can do your language, date, time. You can do a screensaver. You can do a frequency. You can format. Default setting and version of the format, you'll be able to have an SD card in there that will save your videos and your pictures. Anyway, this is the microscope. Hopefully this gives you an idea what to expect with this one. I think it's pretty cool. You can actually get pretty close. I showed you the fly example, and I showed you the little slides that came with it. And you can just look at a lot of different stuff. It's really cool.